Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a data types in the Python. This is a part 2. In the previous day 8, we discussed about a data types in detail, just basics and introduction and important topics that are in the database chapter. So in the day 9, we will cover some basic categories of a data type, so you will be clear about a which type of data we use in the Python. So in this video, I will share some outline topic that we will cover in the day 9. Data types in the Python part 2. Today that we will cover today. Text-based data type. Which data type of Python that used as a text-based. Another is a which type of data types. There are 3 types of data type in the Python that are used as a numeric or number. Another is a sequence data types. These are the just groups. In a groups there may be some data types, more than one maybe. So sequence data types are those data types that have a proper sequence in the well organized store. So we will discuss about these topic: sequence data types, numeric or number data types, and text based data type. So in the next video, in which I will discuss with you about a which type of data that use as a text based data type. Don't miss this class. It will be clear each and everything your concept in the Python.